Kio Ora.
Hi, I'm Rayan.
Hi, I'm Maisie.
Welcome to Rayan and Maisie TV.
Okay, guys, welcome back. So we are now going to unbox Black Canary Premium Statue.
Who is that?
And
She's part of DC.
we've got the 984 of the 2500. They made quite a bit of
Yeah,
this
it's big
one.
edition size. Big edition size.
You should work there.
So this one's from Sideshow.
Sideshow, but bought through PopCulture.
It's a beautiful box. I can guarantee you right now.
Yeah, that's gonna be awesome.
You excited?
Yeah.
Me too.
Whoa, whoa,
Come on.
whoa, whoa.
Look at that.
That kind of looks like
Oh, that's the graffiti.
the graffiti.
You know, the statue. I think the statue base or something might have that as well.
You're right.
That is so neat. This is one of the different art boxes we've ever received. Look, this is so pretty. So let's have a look
This
at
is
the
awesome.
box. That is so cool.
Look at the rips.
And look that there's a there's a little T over here, and you can see through that.
There's a hole.
Okay, let's open it up.
It's part of Birds of Prey.
Black Canary. This is one of the best boxes I've seen.
I cannot wait to see the statue, baby.
Me too.
Ooh.
So it's quite cool in a way that they don't actually show the statue.
So what's the scale for
on
this
the
one?
box. Quarter scale, premium format.
Oh, okay, premium quarter.
Let's see the statue.
Usual Sideshow box. So we have pre-ordered Sideshow. I think it's Sideshow. Yeah, Sideshow.
Yeah, it has to be.
Zatanna. So this is going to pair up very nicely with your eyes.
Whoa.
Next year she's coming.
Here, open that.
You can go relax.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh wow, look at that.
What numbers?
984.
984.
That's such an... I love purple color. It's like purple, light purple, dark purple.
Ooh, when I was little, me used
That's
to
a
like
styrofoam.
purple color.
It's pretty cool how they did the purple shading on the base.
This is so cool.
awesome.
This is... Oh look, there's a pipe or something leaking oil or something down here.
Do you think there's an alien in there? An alien.
Can I see anyone there? It's amazing how these guys make all these different sort of frames.
I know.
How they come up with all these cool ideas and art. Even there's purple down here. Okay.
Okay, on to the body.
Ooh.
Yeah, cool.
Right, so
Oh my goodness.
these are real fishnet stockings.
They are real fishnet. I can see it.
Oh my goodness, okay.
Okay.
Oh,
So
no.
here is her suit. So she's wearing a cool jacket.
Yeah, that jacket has to be cool.
She's wearing a bodysuit inside. It's got a nice zipper. And this is real fishnet.
Can I feel?
She looks very athletic. Can you see like
Oh, that is real.
look at her muscles down here.
Yeah.
Let's work out.
I bet you.
And nice boots. Boots got heels. So she's got some purple going on her boots as well.
It's pretty cool, the shading.
Yeah.
Matches the.
Matches the base.
It's a pretty solid piece.
Now let's put it.
We'll just dig in here.
Guys, want to just leave it like that with no head?
It looks funny
I was
without the
using it.
head. That's so cool.
I thought there was a tank finish. No,
Okay, what else we got?
Oh, the head!
the
We've
portrait.
got the head.
Yes,
She got blonde hair.
She looks.
Close up.
That looks so cool.
She's got some makeup going on.
You think they use actual makeup on that?
No, they do the paint job.
If they use it, that'd be so funny.
It's neat though, very
Yeah,
neat.
very nice.
Okay, let's put you on your body.
I don't normally go for mixed media, but this I think worked really well. Yeah, yep.
Woo!
And we got 2 arms.
So we've got 2 arms for her. Oh, she's wearing gloves.
Can I feel?
So which is the right, which is the left?
Wow.
And this is the other one. The gloves almost coming off. So here we go. It's the complete look with her arms on. You can see that one's grabbing onto the gloves. She has a very athletic physique. You can see she's got a very cool and confident look on her. This is one of the very hot statues we have. Hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing with us, and leave your comments and tell us what do you think. So this is another DC collection we have, and see you all in the next video. Bye for now.